let's look at the large hip circle. So if you saw the other hip circles, the medium and the small one, we get to the large. This one I like to leave later because it has to do with more balance work, and there are many variations of this style of hip circle. Let's look at the most basic one. You know how I've said to keep your feet below your hips? Well, in this case, we have to separate them a little bit, and that's okay because sometimes we'll need to do that for some moves. So, separate them just a little bit wider than hip width, okay? We're still gonna use the foundation of the other circles to work on the large hip circle, except once you push your weight forward and side, you're gonna take your whole upper body with you on the opposite side because it's gotta balance you. Check this out, do it with me. So when you go forward, you bend your knees, you hold, you squeeze. When we go side to the right, you see how my upper body shifted to the left? We need that. We need that. So let it. Don't just leave your chest here. Push and then take your upper body with you with your arms out. These babies are going to help you balance. Now when we push back, I highly like to recommend that you keep your knees soft. Once you lock them, there's a possibility that you're going to put pressure on your joints. I'm very much about safety. Don't put pressure on your joints, okay? Don't lock your joints. Even if you see another dancer do it, don't monkey see, monkey do. Protect your body. Soften it out. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze, 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 okay? Then you push to the left side and your chest goes to the right. And then you mark all of those sides again until you are aware of how it feels on those four corners and you can connect the dots. I'm gonna add arm sweeps down when your hips go back, arm sweeps open when your hips go forward. Let's try. We go 1, 2, back 3 and 4, 1, 2, back 3 and 4. You're opening the curtains, you're closing them. Opening the curtains, you're closing them. And this is your base large hip circle.